Hi loves, how's it going? I am going to share with you my new living room today. Well, not the complete whole living room, just because I still have another side to finish and complete. But I did finish one corner of the living room and I love what I did to it. The other side, I'm still looking for a new organizational system and a new way to organize my stuff. I haven't found the right cabinet or anything like that yet. So that's gonna come soon, and I kind of want to do it that way anyways, so that way I can put more focus on how I reorganize. But the living room, I am loving it. Let's show you this.
Alright, so here is the before of my living room, and as you can see, it's not that aesthetic, it's just more practical. I use it mainly for work. Having plants in the home creates such a lively environment, so I'm going to look for a few more plants to place in my home. I've been very much inspired by all these plant collectors on Pinterest, and so I bought a few plants that I thought would make a really nice addition to my space. And I just love the process of going to a plant nursery, looking out for different kind of plants, and then potting them. It just brings me so much peace and joy. After potting out all my plants, I'm now taping on some special hooks for my ceiling. This way I can hang on some macrame planters. Once that is complete, this is the final result. It is so gorgeous. I love the way the plant just falls on the hangers and against my window. Every morning I look forward to glancing over and seeing the beautiful plants just hanging there, looking so beautiful and radiant, radiating such wonderful energy into my space. A while back I had customized a sectional with interior define, and I selected to have a pink sectional for my space. This was a really great move. I was very nervous of it at first, and then my friend Mary convinced me to go for a pink sectional. So I finally did, and I really am so happy with how this turned out. It actually looked a lot better in person. The material is a lot better than expected, and the color it's gorgeous. It's like a muted color. It's not too vibrant. It's not too loud. It goes with everything else in my space that is pretty much gray, black, and white. The pink definitely complements with the green of the plants so well. Altogether, I am very happy with how everything looks. I really feel like it fits with my personality. I have the simplicity of the black, white, and gray tones, and then the pink adds in a nice, soft, feminine feel and touch. The plant brings in this airy, feel-good vibe, and everything just flows together so nicely. It definitely creates a nice, warm, inviting atmosphere. At the same time, I still have that simplistic look that I was going for. Make sure to stay tuned for my next video where I will redecorate and reorganize this space right here. So this side of the room is not complete yet, but that is going to get done very soon, so stay tuned. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you, and I will see you next week. Ciao!